to show you how to make your own Cajun seasoning instead of buying store brand. So at least you know what's inside of here. No MSG, no other weird chemicals or funky stuff, okay? So it's pure Cajun seasoning, and it's simple to make. I'll show you what you need next. So what we have here is 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper. You take all your seasonings for your Cajun blend. You take a bowl, add everything to the bowl. This is making the Cajun seasoning. I use a lot of it, so I save it. Airtight container, and it holds for as long as you want it, till it's needed. Give it a thorough mixing. You want everything to combine equal. Smells so good. So good. Okay. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. Make your own Cajun seasonings with no chemicals, no MSG, no other ingredients that's not healthy for you. Just pure Cajun seasoning with 5 simple ingredients. Take care.